Hello friends, in my previous videos, I had explained exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 and now this is the exercise 1.6. In this exercise, I will explain first of all the main points, okay, then all the solved examples and all examples from the exercise 1.6 in a very simple language. Now let us start the next topics, that is the statement patterns and the logical equivalence. Now what is meant by these statement patterns? That is let PQR be simple statements. A compound statement obtained from these simple statements by using one or more of the connectives. What is the connectives? And or implication, double implication is called statement pattern. याला काय म्हटलं जातं? Is called the statement pattern. A compound statement obtained from these simple statements. These are the simple statements by using one or more of the connectives and or implication, double implication is called the statement pattern. For example, the statement pattern P or Q implies R. P and in bracket Q and R. Negation of P or Q are the statement patterns. याला काय म्हणायचं? तर statement pattern आपण असं म्हणतो. Note, while preparing the truth table of the given statement pattern, the following points should be noted. आपल्या truth table करण्यापूर्वी कोणत्या गोष्टी लक्षात ठेवायच्या तर या. If a statement pattern involves n components, statement म्हणजे काय? The PQR and each PQR has two possible truth values, namely T and F. कुठलंही आपण स्टेटमेंट जेव्हा कन्सिडर करत असतो की त्याला दोन व्हॅल्यूज असतात. One is a true and another is a false. Then the truth table of the statement pattern consists of 2 raised to n rows. Okay. मग त्यामध्ये किती रोज असणार आहे? That is a 2 raised to n rows. म्हणजे काय? PQR किती आहेत? Suppose they are the n. That is a 2 raised to n rows. Okay. Next, if the statement pattern contains m connectives and n components, the statement pattern, then the truth table of the statement pattern consists of m plus n columns. Okay, तर column देखील column ची संख्या m plus n त्या ठिकाणी असते. I will explain whenever there are the truth tables. The parentheses must be introduced whenever the necessary. Okay. For example, here if negation of P implies Q and negation of P implies Q are not the same. म्हणून प्रत्येक ठिकाणी जिथे ब्रॅकेट असेल तिथे ब्रॅकेट टाकणं जास्त गरजेचं असतं. Therefore, the parenthesis must be introduced whenever the necessary. Now we'll see the solved example. First example, prepare the truth table for each of the following statement pattern. What is the first? P implies Q in bracket or P bracket complete implies P. Okay. आता यामध्ये बघा की statements किती आहेत ते P and Q. Okay. These are the two. Next, what are the connectives? Connectives किती आहे? 1, 2, 3. Connectives are the 3 and total that is equals to 5. Okay. Total is 5. Therefore, now in this case, that is a 2 statement and the connectives are 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. Therefore, here must be the 5 columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there are the 2 statement means what? 2 raised to 2 and that is equals to 4. 4 rows at 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now see this here. That is the first is P. P कसा लिहिणार प्रत्येकदा? Double T, double F. Q is always written as T, F, T, F. Now first we will find out P implies Q. काय find out करायचं इथे? तर P implies Q. आता त्याच्या आधी देखील काय की आपल्याला काय मेन जॉईंट काय इथे दिलेला आहे? तर मेन जॉईंट इज अ इम्प्लिकेशन. तो आपल्याला फायनली फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. मग त्याआधी आपल्याला काय काय फाइंड आउट करावं लागणार आहे? P implies Q. नंतर या दोघांमधला ऑर फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे आणि नंतर हे पूर्ण स्टेटमेंट कोणाला इम्प्लाय करणार, तर पी ला इम्प्लाय करणार. नाव द फर्स्ट विल फाइंड आउट दी पी इम्प्लाइज क्यू. ओके, आता इम्प्लिकेशनचा टेबल आपल्याला माहिती पाहिजे, तर मी इथे कॉम्पॅक्ट मध्ये हे आपण चारही टेबल्स इथे एकत्र केलेले आहेत. फर्स्ट इज पी डबल टी डबल एफ, क्यू इज अ टी एफ टी एफ. Next, P and Q. Okay, P and Q means what? TT is T, otherwise false. If both of them are true, जर दोन्ही बरोबर असतील, ट्रू असतील, then it is a true, otherwise false. TF false, FT false, FF false. Next, OR चं बघा इथे. OR मध्ये काय असतं की दोघांपैकी कमीत कमी एक तरी ट्रू पाहिजे. म्हणजे काय ते TT किती आला, T आला. TF again T, FT is again T, FF is again here F. नेक्स्ट काय, तर इम्प्लिकेशन असतं. व्हॉट इम्प्लाइज. ओके, आणि इफ द बोथ ऑफ देम आर ट्रू देन इट इज, बोथ ऑफ देम आर द सेम देन इट इज अ ट्रू. आता इथे बोथ ऑफ देम, इथे काय, इथे ट्रू आहे, देअरफॉर इट इज अ ट्रू. बोथ ऑफ देम आर सेम. इथे लास्टला बघा, बोथ ऑफ देम आर सेम देन इट इज अ ट्रू. अगेन मिडलच्या बाबतीत काय, व्हॉट इम्प्लाइज. टी इम्प्लाइज एफ, देअरफॉर हिअर इज एफ. एफ इम्प्लाइज टी, देअरफॉर इट इज अ टी. आय हॅड एक्सप्लेन इन माय प्रिव्हियस व्हिडिओज ऑल्सो. डबल इम्प्लिकेशनच्या बाबतीत काय असतं, इफ द बोथ ऑफ देम आर सेम देन इट इज अ ट्रू. फर्स्ट अँड लास्ट सेम अदरवाइज फॉल्स. जर दोन्ही सेम नसतील, तिथे टी एफ आहे, एफ टी आहे, म्हणून इथे काय घेतलं आपण, एफ एफ घेतला. आणि हा टेबल मी खालच्या माझ्या 2-3 एक्झाम्पल्सला पुन्हा तुम्हाला अभ्यासासाठी ते दिलेलं आहे. कॉम्पॅक्ट मध्ये तुम्ही हा टेबल असा तयार करू शकता. नाव विल सी दिस दी टेबल. आपल्या क्वेश्चन मधला हा टेबल आपण इथे बघणार आहोत. फर्स्ट इज आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे याच्यामध्ये, तर मेन जॉईंट आपला काय ते इम्प्लिकेशन, तो आपल्या लास्ट कॉलमला असणार आहे. पण त्यासाठी आपल्याला काय काय लागणार आहे, पी इम्प्लाइज क्यू. मग पी इम्प्लाइज क्यू आपण इथे घेतला. नंतर पी इम्प्लाइज क्यू आणि पी या दोघांमधला ऑर, आणि नंतर मग फाइंड आउट. ओके, नाव फर्स्ट पी इम्प्लाइज क्यू. टी इम्प्लाइज टी इज टी, एफ इम्प्लाइज एफ इज अगेन टी. अदरवाइज व्हॉट इम्प्लाइज, टी इम्प्लाइज एफ म्हणून इथे एफ आहे, एफ इम्प्लाइज टी, देअरफॉर इट इज अ ट्रू. नेक्स्ट, आता या कॉलम नंबर फर्स्ट अँड थर्ड याच्यातला ऑर फाइंड आउट करणार. ऑर मध्ये काय की दोघांपैकी कमीत कमी एक ट्रू पाहिजे. इथे ट्रू आहे, इथे ट्रू आहे, देअरफॉर इट इज अ ट्रू. इथे ट्रू आहे, इथे एफ आहे, टिल इट इज अ ट्रू. इथे एफ आहे, इथे ट्रू आहे, अगेन इट इज अ ट्रू. इथे एफ आहे, इथे ट्रू आहे, अगेन इट इज ट्रू. म्हणजे ऑर साठी काय की दोघांमध्ये कमीत कमी आपल्याला एक ट्रू पाहिजे. नेक्स्ट, आता हा कॉलम कोणाला इम्प्लाय करणार, तर पी ला इम्प्लाय करणार. इम्प्लिकेशन मध्ये काय असतं की बोथ ऑफ देम आर दी सेम देन इट इज ट्रू, अदरवाइज व्हॉट इम्प्लाय. मग आपण आता कॉलम नंबर कुठनं, दॅट इज कॉलम नंबर 4 पासून आपण फर्स्टला इम्प्लाय करणार. टी इम्प्लाइज टी, इट इज अ ट्रू. टी इम्प्लाइज टी, अगेन इट इज अ ट्रू. टी इम्प्लाइज एफ, ओके, इट इज एफ. व्हॉट इम्प्लाइज, इट इम्प्लाइज एफ. ओके, टी इम्प्लाइज एफ, अगेन इट इज एफ. ओके, and in this way we get the truth table for this the statement pattern. Okay, now the next, पुढे इथे बघा तुम्ही, negation of in bracket p or q implies negation of in bracket p and q. आता इथे प्रत्येकदा आपल्याला मेन जॉईंट काय येते, तर मेन जॉईंट इथे इम्प्लिकेशन आहे, आणि हा आपण काय करत असतो या लास्ट कॉलम मध्ये आपण इथे घेत असतो. ओके, मग आपल्याला काय काय फाइंड आउट करावं लागणार आहे. वी वॉन्ट टू फाइंड आउट फर्स्ट पी और क्यू फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे, त्याचा निगेशन तयार करणार. तसंच पी अँड क्यू तयार करायचा आहे, त्याचा निगेशन, अँड देन दिस इम्प्लाइज टू दिस. ओके, नाव द फर्स्ट दोनच स्टेटमेंट आहेत, देन यू विल गेट दॅट इज अ 2^2, म्हणजे किती येतील ते 4 रोज येतील. पी म्हणजे प्रत्येकदा सेम असतं, दॅट इज अ डबल टी अँड दी डबल एफ. क्यू मीन्स वॉट, टी एफ टी एफ टी एफ इन दिस वे. फर्स्ट आपण काय फाइंड आउट करणार, तर ऑर मध्ये काय असतं, ते सिंपल असतं, दोघांपैकी कमीत कमी एक तरी ट्रू पाहिजे, अदरवाइज फॉल्स. हे दोन्ही टी टी आहेत म्हणून टी. टी एफ आहे, अगेन टी. एफ टी इज अगेन टी. एफ एफ मात्र इथे एफ. ओके, दोघांपैकी कमीत कमी एक तरी ट्रू पाहिजे. आता याचा निगेशन घ्यायचा आहे, मग टीचा निगेशन एफ, टीचा निगेशन एफ, टीचा निगेशन एफ, बट एफ चा निगेशन टी. या प्रकारे हा पहिला पार्ट आपला इथे झाला. टोटली वी हॅव कम्प्लिटेड हिअर. नाव द नेक्स्ट, आता पी अँड क्यू आपल्याला तयार करायचा आहे. या दोघातला अँड, मग अँडचा अर्थ काय असतो की दोन्ही ट्रू असतील तरच ट्रू, अदरवाइज फॉल्स. आता हे दोन्ही ट्रू आहेत, देअरफॉर इट इज अ ट्रू. दोन्ही ट्रू आहेत का, नाही, इट इज फॉल्स. दोन्ही ट्रू आहेत का, नाही, इट इज अ फॉल्स. दोन्ही ट्रू आहेत का, नाही, इट इज अ फॉल्स. मग पुन्हा याचा काय तयार करायचं आहे, तर निगेशन तयार करायचं आहे. मग निगेशन ऑफ दी, टीचा निगेशन एफ, एफचा निगेशन टी, एफचा निगेशन टी, F चा निगेशन T. ओके, आता काय फाइंड आउट करायचं आपल्याला? दॅट इज अ निगेशन ऑफ P or Q implies this. म्हणजे आपलं याचं इम्प्लिकेशन आपल्याला इथे फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. इम्प्लिकेशन मध्ये काय असतं? इफ बोथ ऑफ देम आर सेम सेम देन इट इज ट्रू, अदरवाइज व्हॉट इम्प्लाइज. आता इथे बघा, इथे F आहे, इथे F आहे, therefore it is a true. Both of them are the same same. F implies T and that's why it is true. F implies T and that's why it is a true. T implies T and that is it is a true. And in this way we get the all are the T and then therefore it is called the tautology also. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. ओके, आणि माहितीसाठी पुन्हा मी हा छोटा इथे टेबल दिलेला आहे एकत्रित तुम्हाला लक्षात येण्यासाठी. ओके, नाव दी नेक्स्ट negation of in bracket negation of P or Q or negation of Q. ओके, आता इथे मेन जॉईंट काय तर ऑर आहे, हे आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. मग त्यासाठी काय काय तयार करावं लागणार आहे आपल्याला? इथे निगेशन ऑफ P लागणार आहे, निगेशन ऑफ Q लागणार आहे. या दोघातलं आपल्याला ऑर फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. ओके, अँड नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट. द फर्स्ट काय लिहिणार? पहिल्या याच्यामध्ये आपण P लिहिणार, Q लिहिणार. नंतर आपल्याला काय लागणार आहे? निगेशन ऑफ P, निगेशन ऑफ Q. नंतर या दोघांमधला ऑर लागणार आहे इथे. ओके, अँड देन फायनली वी विल फाइंड आउट दी ऑर बिटवीन दीज टू. ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट. P means what? Double T, double F. Q means what? T, F, T, F. ओके, निगेशन ऑफ P म्हणजे याचं P चा निगेशन, T चा निगेशन F, T चा निगेशन F, F चा निगेशन T, F चा निगेशन T. Q चा निगेशन means what? T चा निगेशन F, F चा निगेशन T, T चा निगेशन F, F चा निगेशन T. Then what we want to find out? Negation of P or Q. Negation of P or Q. म्हणजे या दोघांमधला आपल्याला ऑर फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. ऑर कसा फाइंड आउट करतो? दोघांपैकी कमीत कमी एक तरी ट्रू पाहिजे. वन ऑफ देम मस्ट बी ट्रू, देन इट इज ट्रू, अदरवाइज फॉल्स. मग T or F, it is a true. F or F, yes, both of them are false. Therefore it is F. T or T, yes, T. F or T, then again it is true. म्हणजे आपला हा झालेला आहे. नेक्स्ट विल फाइंड आउट. आता लास्ट आपल्याला काय तर हे फाइंड आउट करायचंय. मीन्स वॉट? इन ब्रॅकेट निगेशन ऑफ P or Q or निगेशन ऑफ Q. म्हणजे या दोघांमधलं आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे तर मेन ऑर फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. मग ऑर मध्ये काय असतं? पुन्हा दोघांपैकी कमीत कमी एक ट्रू पाहिजे. दोघांपैकी एक कमीत कमी ट्रू आहे, therefore it is a true. दोघांमध्ये T or F, again it is a true. F or T, again it is a true. TT, again it is a true. And hence we get here again the tautology. ओके, इथे काय मिळालं आपल्याला लास्ट कॉलम मध्ये तर सगळीकडे TT मिळतात. ओके, बघू शकताय तुम्ही. नाव द नेक्स्ट. पुन्हा इथे बघा, प्रत्येकदा आपल्याला मेन जॉईंट काय तर इथे ऑर दिलेलं आहे आपल्याला. मेन जॉईंट ऑर आहे. मग ते तयार करण्यासाठी काय आपल्याला P आणि R मधला अँड फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे, Q आणि R मधला अँड फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे, आणि नंतर मग या दोघांचा ऑर फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. पण इथे स्टेटमेंट किती आहेत तर 3 आहेत. ओके, देअरफॉर इट इज 2⁻3. म्हणजेच इथे रोज किती येतील आपल्याला तर 8 रोज येतील. ओके, आणि कॉलम्स किती तर इथे बघा 1 2 3 4. ओके, इथे फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट किती तर 3 आहे. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट 3 स्टेटमेंट PQR and connective 1 2 3. 3 कनेक्टिव्ह, 3 + 3 म्हणजे टोटल किती येणार ते 6. मग 6 कॉलम आहेत का ते बघायचे. 1 2 3 4 5 6. यस, देअर आर दी 6 कॉलम. आणि ही काय घेते तुम्हाला तर त्याने ती ऍक्टिव्हिटी घेतलेली. पण तरी देखील आपण जेव्हा 3 स्टेटमेंट असतात त्यावेळेस PQR कसा घेतला जातो तर तो मी तुम्हाला इथे सांगतो. वेन देअर आर दी 3 स्टेटमेंट कसं P कसा घ्यायचा त्या ठिकाणी P, मग तो 4 वेळा T घेतला जातो. T T T T, नेक्स्ट F F F. ओके, या प्रकारे पुन्हा एकदा 1 2 3 4 4 टाइम्स T, Exercise 1.6, question number 1. Prepare truth tables for the following statement pattern. First is P implies in bracket negation of P or Q. Now here the two statements and the three connectives, what 1, 2 and 3. That is a 2 plus 3, 5 columns, and 2 into 2, 2 rows. Okay. Therefore, the first is P, that is a double T and the double F. Q means what? TF, TF in this way. Negation of P आपल्याला लागणार आहे, and therefore we will find out the negation of P. T चा negation F, F चा T चा negation F, F चा negation T, and the F negation of the F is T. Okay. Next we will find out the negation of P or Q. Okay. That is a or between the column number 2 and the column number 3. T or F is T, F or F is F, T or T is T, F or T is T. Okay. Next the implication from the column number 1 to the column number 4. T implies T, Ti. T implies F, it is F. What implies? F implies T, again it is a T. F implies T, again it is a T. Okay. And in this way we get the last column, that is a T, F, T, T in this way. Okay. या प्रकारे आपण करू शकतो. या ठिकाणी काय तर मेन जॉइंट आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचा तर इम्प्लिकेशन, आणि त्यासाठी या दोन्ही स्टेटमेंट्स पॅटर्न आपल्याला तयार करायचे असतात. ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, that is a in bracket negation of P or Q and negation of P or negation of Q. Okay. Again see this here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 2, that is a 8. मग 8 columns आपल्याला इथे लागतील 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 7. One thing is that the negation of P is repeated here, and therefore we required here only the 7 columns. मग 7 आहेत का 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 in this way. जर एखादं स्टेटमेंट ते पुन्हा negation of P इथे repeat आहे. Okay, and therefore we take the 1. Next the number of the rows are the 4. पुन्हा P किती येणार double T, double F. Q किती येणार TF, TF in this way. Negation of P, that is a T चा negation F, T चा negation F, F चा negation T, F चा negation T. Okay. Negation of Q, T चा negation F, F चा negation T, T चा negation F, F चा negation T. Next we will find out the or between negation of P or Q. T or F is T, F or F is F, T or T is T, F or T is a T. Okay. And the now next the or between column number 3 and the 4. F or F is F, F or T is T, T or F is a T, T or T is again the T. Now the next we'll find out the and between the column number 5 and 6. T and F is F, F and T is F, T and T is T, T and T is T, and in this way we get the last column. Okay. Now the next question. Here is the next question. P and Q implies P or negation of Q. Okay. Now here the statements are the P, Q and R. 3 are there. Okay. Next connectives are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 3 plus 4, that is 7 columns पाहिजेत आपल्याला तिथे. And the statements are 3 statements are there. Therefore 2 raised to 3, that is equals to 8. म्हणजेच rows किती येतील तर 8 rows येतील. Now first we write here P, Q, R. P means what? 4 वेळा T आणि 4 वेळा F. Q means what? T, T, F, F, T, T, F, F. R means what? T, F, T, F, T, F, T, F in this way. Negation of Q. मग T चा negation किती तर F. T चा negation F, F चा negation T, F चा negation T, T चा negation F, T चा negation F, F चा negation T, and the negation of the F is T. Next, find out the and between P and R. या दोघातला and. If the and म्हणजे काय? If the both of them are true, then it is a true. Therefore, T and T is true. Both of them are true. Now, T and F is F. T and T is again T. F. T and F is again F. Okay. Next, F and T is F. F and F is F. F and T is F. F and F is again F. Now next, or between P or negation of Q. या दोघातला or फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. or साठी काय की दोघांपैकी एक कमीत कमी ट्रू पाहिजे. T or F is T. T or F is T. T or T is again T. T or T is T. F or F is F. F or F is F. F or T is T. F or T is T. Okay. Now the implication between these two. P and R implies P or negation of Q. हे implication आपल्याला find out करायचं. T implies T. Yes, it is a true. F implies T. It is true. T implies T. It is true. F implies T. What implies? म्हणजे T. F implies F. Both are same. Then it is a true. F implies F. It is a true. F implies T. It is true. F implies T. It is a true. Now the entries in the last columns are same, which are the true, and therefore this given statement pattern is a tautology again. Okay. Now the next question. P in bracket P and Q or negation of R. Now there are the three statements. These are three, and the connectives are 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3 plus 3, and that is equals to 6. Okay. 6 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 columns are here. Okay. And what about the rows? Rows are the 8 rows are there. Again, P. P म्हणजे काय? The 4 times T and the 4 times F. Okay. Q means what? Double T, double F. Double T, double F. R means what? TF, 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 TF in this way. Negation of R. T चा negation F, F चा negation T, T चा negation F, F चा negation T, T चा negation F, F चा negation T, T चा negation F, F चा negation T. Now we'll find out the and between P and Q. And साठी काय? If the both of them are true, then it is true. T and T is T. T and T is again T. T and F is F. T and F is F. F and T is F. F and T is F. F and F is F. F and F is F. And साठी काय consider करतो आपण? If the both of them are true, then it is true. Next, we will find out the or between P and Q and the negation of R. or साठी काय महत्वाचं असतं की दोघांपैकी कमीत कमी एक तरी ट्रू पाहिजे. Now see this here. F or T. F or T is T. T or T is T. F or F is F. T or F is T. F or F is F. T or F is T. F or F is F. T or F is T. And in this way, we get the last column. Okay. Now the next question. Examine whether each of the following statement pattern is a tautology or contradiction or the contingency. First statement pattern बघा, Q or negation of P and Q. आता किती statement आहेत? तर 2 statement. Connectives किती आहेत? That is 1, 2, 3. 3 connectives. And 2 plus 3 that is equals to 5. Now 5 columns पाहिजेत. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And rows किती? तर 4 rows असणार त्याच्यामध्ये. P म्हणजे काय? तर double T, double F. Q means what? T, F, T, F. P and Q. And म्हणजे काय? की both of them are true, then it is true. T and T is T. T and F is F. F and T is F. F and F is F. आता याचा negation. Negation of T is F. Negation of F is T. Negation of F is T. Negation of F is T. Next we'll find out or between second and the fourth column. Okay, this is the or. Okay, or म्हणजे काय की दोघांपैकी कमीत कमी एक ट्रू पाहिजे. One of them must be true, then it is a true. T or F is T. Next, F or T is T. T or T is again T. F or T is T, and hence we get in the last column all the entries are T, and therefore it is a tautology. Okay, all the entries in the last column of the above truth tables are T, and therefore the Q, here is a Q, Q or in bracket negation of P and Q is a tautology. The next मध्ये in bracket negation of Q and P and in bracket P and negation of P. Okay, आता पुन्हा इथे किती statements किती तर 2 आहेत, and the how many connectives are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And total is a 7. बघूया आता 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And the rows are the 4. पुन्हा P म्हणजे काय? डबल T, डबल F. Q means what? TF, TF, TF. तर काय काय लागणार आहे आपल्याला? निगेशन ऑफ P लागणार आहे, निगेशन ऑफ Q. ते इथेच तयार करायचे. Okay. Now the negation of T is F, negation of T is F, negation of F is T, negation of F is T. Negation of Q, that is that negation of T is F, F is T, T is F, F is T, in this way. Now we'll find out the and between the negation of Q, that is the first and the fourth, and between T and F is F, T and T is T, F and F is F, F and T is a F, in this way. Now the next, P and negation of P. Yes, sure, not? Okay, that is a and between first and third. My and साठी काय? Both of them must be true, then it is true, otherwise false. T and F is F. T and F is again F. F and T is F. F and T is F. Okay. Now the next, we'll find out the and between these two columns. Okay. F and F is F. T and F is F. F and F is F. F and F is F. All the entries in the last column are the F, and hence the given statement pattern is a contradiction. Okay, last column मध्ये सगळ्या entries कशा आहेत? तर F आहेत. Now the next one. In bracket P and negation Q implies in bracket negation of P and negation of Q. आता पुन्हा statement किती आहेत? The two statement. How many connectives are there? Connectives किती आहेत? The 1, okay, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 connectives are there. Okay. And therefore 2 plus 5 and that is equals to 7. एक repeat इथे कुठला negation of Q, negation of Q इथे repeat आहे, त्यामुळे तो आपण consider करणार नाही. 7 columns आहेत ते बघायचे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Now the next. P म्हणजे काय? Double T, double F. Q म्हणजे काय? Double T, double F. Okay. First, we'll find out the negation of P and Q. T चा negation F, T चा negation F, F चा negation T, F चा negation T. आता Q चा negation, T चा negation F, F चा negation T, T चा negation F, F चा negation T. Next we will find out the and between first and the fourth column. First and fourth and इथे तर and मिळणार आपल्याला. And म्हणजे काय? की दोन्ही true असतील तरच true. Now here the T and F is F, T and T is T, both of them are true. F and F is F, F and T is again F. Okay. Next we will find out the and between the third and the fourth column. And साठी पुन्हा, if both of them are true, then it is true, otherwise false. F and F is F, F and T is F, T and F is F, T and T, both of them are true, and therefore it is a true. Now we'll find out the implication between these two columns, that is the column number 5 and the 6. 5 to 6. Okay. F implies F. Implication मध्ये काय असतं? If the both of them are same, then it is true. F, both are same, it is true. T implies F. What implies? It implies F, therefore it is F. Both of them are same, therefore it is true. F implies T. What imply? Imply काय करतं? तर ते answer असतं. Now see this here. T, F, T, T. Now the all entries in the last column are the mix. They are the T and F, and therefore the given statement pattern is a contingency. That the statement in the last column are neither T nor or all F, and therefore this given statement pattern is a contingency. Now the next question. Fourth one. Negation of P implies in bracket P implies negation of Q. पुन्हा statement किती आहे? That there are the two statements. Connectives 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore columns must be the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6. And the rows are the 4. मग काय सुरुवातीला काय तयार करणार? P and Q. Double T, double F. Q means what? TF, TF. Negation of P. T is a negation F. Negation of T is F. Negation of F is T. Negation of F is T. Negation of Q. Negation of T is F. Negation of F is T. Negation of T is F. Negation of F is T. Next we will find out P implies negation Q. P implies negation Q. T implies F is F. T implies T. Both of them are same. Therefore it is true. F implies F. Both of them are same. Therefore it is a true. F implies T. Therefore it is a true. Okay. Now the next we'll find out the implication between the third and the fifth one. Okay. Now see this here. This is the third and this is the fifth one. F implies F. Both of them are same. Therefore it is a true. F implies T. What imply? काय imply करतं? Therefore it is a true. T implies T. Both of them are same. Therefore it is a true. T implies T. Both of them are same. It is a true. All the entries in the last columns are T and hence the given statement pattern is a tautology. All the entries in the last column of the truth table are T. Therefore, negation of P implies in bracket P implies negation of Q is a tautology. Okay. Now the next question. Question number 3. Prove that each of the following statement pattern is a tautology. What is that? P and Q implies Q. 1 and 2. Okay. 2 plus 2, 4 columns पाहिजे त्यामध्ये. Okay. This is the P, double T, double F. Q means what? T, F, T, F. Okay. Next काय find out करणार? And साठी काय? Both of them must be true. T and T is true. Otherwise false. T and F, F. F and T, F. F and F is F. What is next? P and Q implies Q. म्हणजे काय? Column number 3 पासून तर 1 ला imply करणार. T implies T. Both are the same. Therefore it is a true. F implies T. What imply? T imply करतो. Therefore it is a true. F implies F. Both of them are same. Therefore it is a true. F implies F. Both of them are same. Therefore it is a true. All the entries, the last column are the same. That is a T. And therefore the given statement pattern is a tautology. Okay. बघू शकताय तुम्ही. Next. In bracket P implies Q. Okay. Double implication. Negation of Q implies negation of P. Okay. आता यामध्ये स्टेटमेंट किती आहेत? 2. Okay. And the connectives 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And 5. And the total columns must be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. मग सुरुवातीला P, double T, double F. Q means what? T, F, T, F. Negation of P. T चा negation F. T चा negation F. F चा negation T. F चा negation T. Q चे negations. Negation of T is F. Negation of F is T. Negation of T is F. Negation of F is T. काय find out करायचं? P implies Q. Column first implies second one. Okay. Now the T implies T. Implication मध्ये काय? If the both of them are same, then it is true. Otherwise what imply? Both of them are same, therefore it is true. T implies F is F. F implies T is T. F implies F. Both of them are same, therefore it is a true. Next, negation of Q implies negation Q. Now, again the implication. Both of them are same, then it is true. Otherwise, what imply? Both of them are same, therefore it is a true. F implies F is true. T implies F. What imply? F imply करतं. F implies T. T imply करतं. Therefore it is a T. Both of them are same. Therefore it is a true. Now the next. The double implication between these two columns. Okay. The column number 5th and the 6th one. या दोघातलं double implication. Double implication चा table कसा लक्षात ठेवणार? If the both of them are same, then it is true. Otherwise false. आता इथे बघा. T double implication T. It is a T. Same. F double implication F. It is again the same. Therefore it is a true. Same. It is true. Same. It is true for the double implication. And all the entries in the last columns are the true. And therefore the given statement pattern is a tautology. पुन्हा बघू शकताय तुम्ही. Okay. Now the third one. पुन्हा statement किती आहे? तर 2. How many connectives are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 7 columns पाहिजे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. First, P, double T, double F, Q, T, F, T, F. Negation of P. T चा negation F, T चा negation F, F चा negation T, F चा negation T. Negation of Q. T चा negation F, F चा negation T. Negation of T is F, negation of F is T. Now find out the and between the column number third and the fourth. And साठी काय? Both of them must be true. Then it is true. Otherwise false. F and F is F. F and T is F. T and F is F. T and T is T. Next. P implies Q. Implication मध्ये काय? If both of them are true, then it is true. Otherwise, what imply? T implies T is T. T implies F is F. F implies T is T. F implies F. Both of them are same. Therefore, it is a true. Now the next. The implication between the, what is that here? The fifth and the sixth one. Fifth to sixth. F implies T. What imply? T imply करते म्हणून T. Both of them are same. Therefore, it is true. F implies T. It is a true. T implies T. It is true. All the entries in the last column are the identical, and hence the given statement pattern is a tautology. Okay. Now the next, fourth one. Negation of P or negation of Q, double implication. Negation of in bracket P and Q. पुन्हा statement किती? The two. And how many connectives are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. 6 plus 2 and that is equals to 8. Now there must be the 8 columns पाहिजे याच्यामध्ये. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. First, write down the P, double T, double F, Q, T, F, T, F. Negation of P. The T चा negation F, T चा negation F. Negation of F is T, negation of F is T. Negation of Q, negation of T is F, negation of F is T, negation of T is F, negation of F is T. Next, find out the or between column number third and fourth. Or साठी काय? Both of them, one of them must be true. Then it is a true, otherwise false. F or F is F, F or T is T, T or F is T, T or T is T. Okay. Next, find out the and between the column number first and second. And साठी काय? कि both of them must be true. Then it is a true. T and T is T. T and F, एक foil है. Therefore, it is F. F and T is F. F and F is F. Now the negation of T and F. Okay, याचा negation. T चा negation F. Negation of F is T. Negation of F is T. Negation of F is T. Now the next. The double implication between the column number 5th and the 7th. Implication. Okay. Implication, double implication मध्ये कसं लक्षात ठेवायचं? If both of them are same, then it is true. Otherwise false. F, double implication F is T. T, double implication T is T. T, double implication T is T. T, double implication T is T. If the both of them are same, then it is true. Now see this. All the entries in the last column are the T, and hence the given statement pattern is a tautology. Okay. बघू शकताय तुम्ही. Okay. Now the question number 4. Prove that each of the following statement pattern is a contradiction. Okay. Now see this here. The how many statements are there? 2 statements. And connectives किती आहेत? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 2 plus 5 that is equals to 7. 7 columns पाहिजे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now first P. P means what? Double T, double F. Q means what? T, F, T, F. Negation of P. Okay. Negation of T. T चा negation F. T चा negation F. F चा negation T. Negation of F is T. Negation of Q. Negation of T is F. Negation of F is T. Negation of T is F. Negation of F is T. Now we'll find out the OR between first and second. OR साठी कसा लक्षात ठेवायचा? One of them must be true, then it is true. T or T is T. T or F is again T. F or T is again T. But here both of them are F, therefore it is F. Now the next we'll find out the AND between the column number 3rd and the 4th. AND साठी काय लक्षात ठेवायचं? One of them, if the both of them are true, then it is a true. आता इथे काय? Both of them are false. F, again F, F. Both of them are true, then it is a true. AND साठी काय लक्षात ठेवायचं? If the both of them are true, then it is true, otherwise F. Okay. Now the next, we'll find out the AND between these two. आता AND साठी काय लक्षात ठेवायचं की both of them are true, then it is true. आता इथे बघा, T and F is F, T and F is again F, T and F is again F, F and T is again F. All the entries in the last column are the F, and therefore the given statement pattern is a contradiction. Okay. Now the next, second one, P in bracket P and Q, bracket complete, and negation of P. That is a two statement, and connectives are 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 3, that is equals to 5. 5 columns पाहिजे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rows किती असतील तर 4. Okay. P means what again? Double T, double F. Q means what? T, F, T, F. Negation of P. T is a negation F. T is a negation F. Negation of F is T. Negation of F is T. Now find out the AND between first and second. AND कसा लक्षात ठेवायचा? Both of them must be true, then it is true. T and T is T. T and F is F. F and T is again F. F and F is F. Now the next, AND between the column numbers 3rd and the 4th. AND कसा लक्षात ठेवायचा? Both of them must be true, then it is true. F and T is F. F and F is F. T and F is F. T and F is F. Again, all the entries in the last column is F, and therefore the given statement pattern is the statement pattern of the contradiction. Now the next, P and Q in bracket or and in bracket negation of P or negation of Q. Again, the two statements are there, and the connectives are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And therefore the columns are the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. First P, double T, double F. Q, TF, TF. Negation of P. T is a negation F. T is a negation F. F is a negation T. F is a negation T. Negation of Q. Negation of T is F. Negation of T. Now the negation of Q, I will repeat again. Negation of T is F. Negation of F is T. Negation of T is F. Negation of F is T. Now we'll find out the AND between first and second. AND साठी काय? Both of them must be true. आता दोन्ही पहिले केसेस ट्रू आहेत. Therefore it is a true. बाकी F, T and F is F, F and T is F, F and F is F. Next we'll find out the OR between the column number 2nd, 3rd and 4th. OR साठी काय? दोघांपैकी एक कमीत कमी ट्रू पाहिजे. One of them must be true, then it is true. Otherwise false. F or F is F. F or T is T. T or F is T. T or T is T. Okay. Now we'll find out the AND between the column number 5 and the 6. या दोघांमध्ये AND find out करणार. We'll find out the AND between the column number 5 and the column number 6. To find out the AND, both of them must be true, otherwise false. T and F is F. F and T is F. F and T is F. F and T is again F. All the entries in the last column is F, and therefore the given statement pattern is a contradiction. Okay. हे बघू शकताय तुम्ही. Okay. Now the next, fourth one. P implies in bracket Q and in bracket P and negation Q. Again the two statements, and the connectives are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 connectives. Therefore, the total column must be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now the again P means what? Double T, double F. Q means what? T, F, T, F. Negation of Q. Negation of Q तैयार करना. Okay. T is a negation F. Negation of F is T. Negation of T is F. Negation of F is T. Now P implies Q. That is a negation implication between the first and second column. T implies T is T. What implied? T implies F. Therefore it is F. What implied? F implies T. Therefore it is a T. Both of them are same. Therefore it is true. Next, we will find out the and between the column first and the third. Okay, या दोघातला and find out करणार first and third मध्ये. T and F is F. And मध्ये काय की both of them must be true. T and F is F. T and T is T. F and F is F. F and T is F. Okay. Now the next, we'll find out the and between the column number 4th and the 5th. या दोघातला and find out करणार. T and F is F. And साठी काय की both of them must be true. Therefore, T and F is F. F and T is F. T and F is F. T and F is F. All the entries in the last column is F. And therefore, the given statement pattern is a contradiction. पुन्हा बघू शकताय तुम्ही. Okay. Now the question number 5. Show that each of the following statement pattern is a contingency. Okay. Now the two statements are there and the connectives 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next 4, 5. एक repeat झालेला आहे. 5. Okay. Now the 2 plus 5. 7 आहेत का बघायचे आहेत columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. एक काय झालं इथे रिपीट झालेलं आहे. Okay. And therefore P means what again? Double T, double F. Q means what? T, F, T, F. Negation of P. T is a negation F. T is a negation F. F is a negation T. F is a negation T. Negation of Q. T is a negation F. F is a negation T. T is a negation F. F is a negation T. Now we'll find out the and between P and negation Q. That is the and between the column number first and the column number third. Okay. And साठी काय लक्षात ठेवायचं? Both of them must be true. Then it is true. Otherwise false. Now first T and that is a column number first and the fourth. Okay. T and F is F. T and T is T. F and F is a F again. F and T is a F. Okay. This is. Now the next. I find out करणार तर and find out करायचं आहे. The from the column number third and the fourth. It is written in the 6. Okay. या दोघातला आपल्याला काय find out करायचं and साठी काय लक्षात ठेवायचं? Both of them must be true. Otherwise false. F and F is F. F and T is F. T and F is again F. And now the T and T, both of them must be true. Therefore it is a true. Okay. Now next we will find out the implication between the column number 5th to the column number 6. यातलं implication find out करायचं आहे. Implication मध्ये काय लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे? If the both of them are same imply, then it is true. Otherwise what imply? काय imply करतं ते आपल्याला पाहिजे. F implies F, therefore it is true. T implies F, therefore it is F. What imply? F imply करते, therefore it is F. Both of them are same, therefore it is true. F implies T, therefore it is true. Now all the entries are not all T, not all F. It's a mix, and therefore the given statement pattern कसा आहे तर contingencies आहे. The entries in the last column of the above truth table are neither all T nor all F, and therefore it is a contingency. Now the second one, P implies Q in the bracket, double implication, negation of P or Q. Okay. पुन्हा statement 2 आहे. Connectives काय काय? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2 plus 4, 6 columns पाहिजे. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6. First is P, double T, double F. Q means what? TF, TF. Negation of P लागणार आहे. Therefore negation of T is F, negation of T is F, negation of F is T, negation of F is T. Next, implication between the first and second. First to second चे implication. Implication कसं लक्षात ठेवायचं? If both of them are same, then it is true. Otherwise, what imply? Okay. T implies T. Both of them are same. Therefore, it is true. T implies F. What imply? F imply करते. F implies T. T imply करते. Therefore, it is a T. F implies F. Both of them are same. Therefore, it is a true. Next, we will find out the and between the column number second and the third. And साठी काय लक्षात ठेवायचं? If the both of them are true, then it is true. T and F is F. F and F is again F. T and T, both of them are true. Therefore, it is a true. F and T is F. Okay. Now we'll find out the double implication between the column number 4 and the column number 5. Okay. Now see this here. In double implication, if the both of them are same, then it is a true. Otherwise false. T double implication F is F. Both are the different, therefore it is a F. Both are same, therefore it is a T. Both are same, therefore it is T. Both are different, therefore it is F. All the entries in the column 6 are not all T, not all F, they are the mix, and therefore the given statement pattern is a contingency. Now the third example. You can see this again here. Third example, P and in square bracket, in rounded bracket now, P implies negation of Q. This implies Q. Okay. Two statements are there. Connectives 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 4 and that is equals to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. काय तयार करायचं आपल्याला? P पाहिजे आपल्याला. That is a double T, double F. Q means what? TF, TF. Negation कोण पाहिजे? तर Q पाहिजे. Negation of Q. Negation of T is F. Negation of F is T. Negation of T is F. Negation of F is T. Next, what you want to find out? That is a P implies negation Q पाहिजे आपल्याला. हा पण लागणार आहे आपल्याला हे स्टेटमेंट पॅटर्न तयार करण्यासाठी. P implies negation Q. That is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6. That is a implication between the column number first to column number 3. Implication काय लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे? What imply? If both of them are same, then it is true. Otherwise, what imply? T implies F. Therefore, it is F. T implies T. Both of them are same. Therefore, it is true. F implies F. Both of them are same. Therefore, it is true. F implies T. Therefore, here is a true. Okay. हा column number 4 झाला आपला. Now the next, we'll find out the implication between the 4 to Q means what? Second, and it is written in the fifth. Okay, 4 पासन second कडे implication पाहिजे आपल्याला. Implication मध्ये काय? What imply? Otherwise, if both of them are same, then it is true. Otherwise, what imply? F implies T. T imply करते, therefore it is a T. T implies F, therefore it is F. T implies T. Both of them are same, then it is true. Okay, both of them are same, it is true. T implies F. F imply करते, therefore it is F. Now the next, we'll find out again here the and between the column first and the fifth one. पहिला आणि fifth याच्यातला and find out करायचा आहे. And साठी काय लक्षात ठेवायचं? If the both of them are true, then it is true, otherwise false. T and T, it is a T. T and F, F. F and T is F. F and F, it is F. Now all the entries in the last column are neither T nor all are not T, all are not F, and therefore the given statement pattern is a contingency. Okay. Okay. Now the next, fourth one. P implies Q and P implies R. Okay. How many statements are there? 3 statements. आणि कनेक्टिव्ह किती आहेत 1 2 3 3 plus 3 that is equals to 6 columns पाहिजे. This is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, now there are the three statements. Therefore 2 raised to 3 and that is equals to 8. Therefore 8 rows must be there. 8 rows पाहिजे. P कसा घेणार 4 times T 4 times F. Q कसा double T double F double T double F. R कसा घेणार TF in this way. Now first we find out the P implies Q. That is the implication between first and second. T implies T, it is T. T implies T, it is T. T implies F, therefore it is F. T implies F, therefore it is F. Okay. F implies T and therefore it is a T. F implies T, it is T. F implies F, both of them are same, therefore it is a true. F implies F, it is a true. Okay, in this way. Now the next. P implies R. Okay, that is the implication between first and third. T implies T, it is true. T implies F, it is F. T implies T, it is true. T implies F, it is a F. F implies T, it is a true. F implies F, it is a true. Okay, both are the same. F implies this T, it is a true. Next, F implies F, both of them are same, therefore it is a true. Now next we'll find out the and between the column number 4 and the 5th. या दोघातला and find out करणार. and साठी काय लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे both of them must be true, then it is true, otherwise false. T and T is T. T and F is F. F and T is F. F and F is F. T and T is T. 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 Now what's happening? All the entries in the last column are not all T, not all F, they are the mix, and therefore the entries in the last column of the above truth table are the neither all T, neither all F, and therefore it is a contingency. बघू शकताय तुम्ही. Now the next question number 6. Using the truth table verify. हे आपल्याला equivalent दाखवायचं आहे. Now see this here. The first is a columns किती असतील यामध्ये P Q R means what? They are the 3 and the connectives are 1 2 3 4 5. Total they are the 8. Okay, numbers are here. Now first is P or in bracket Q and R. First P किती येतात 8 आहे. P means what? 4 times T 4 times F. Q means what? Double T double F double T double F. And the next is here is R. Okay, by mistake it is T. Okay, T F T F T F T F in this way. Next we will find out the and between the second and the third. त्या दोघातला and find out करना. T and T is T. T and F is F. F and T is F. F and F is F. T and T is T. T and F is F. F and T is F. F and F is F. This is the and between second and the third one. Now we'll find out the or between the first and the fourth. First and fourth मध्ये or find out करायचा आहे. or कसा लक्षात ठेवायचा आहे? One of them must be true. Otherwise it is a false. दोघांपैकी एक तरी कमीत कमी true पाहिजे. That is a or between first and the fourth column. T or T is T. T or F is T. T or F is T. T or F is T. F or T is T. F or F, both of them are false. Therefore it is F. Okay. Now the next. F or F is again F. F or F is again, both of them are the 12. F. Therefore it is F. Now the next. This we have completed here. The first, this is the S1. S1 आपल्याला इथे clear झाला. Next we will find out the S2 here. Okay. First find out the P or Q. P or Q find out करायचं आहे. P आणि Q या दोघातला or. Okay. It is written here. or चा टेबल कसा लक्षात ठेवायचा? Both of One of them must be true, then it is true. T or T is T. T or T, हा T आले. ओके. T or F, again T. ओके, दोघांपैकी कमीत कमी एक तरी ट्रू पाहिजे. ओके, नेक्स्ट P आणि Q मधला पाहिजे म्हणजे फर्स्ट अँड सेकंड. पुढे इथे बघा T. T or F is again T. Next is a F or T is T. Next is a F or T, again it is true. F or F, okay. आता दोन्ही कसे येते तर हे F आहे. Therefore it is a F. F or F, again it is F. Okay. Next we'll find out the or between column number first and the third. P आणि R मधला or find out करायचा आहे. पुन्हा or साठी काय की दोघांपैकी कमीत कमी एक ट्रू पाहिजे. Otherwise for F. T or T is T. T or F is T. T or T is T. T or F is T. F or T is T. F or F, both of them are false. Therefore, it is F. Okay. Okay. Next, T or T, it is T. F or F, both of them are F. Therefore, it is F. Okay. Now the next, we'll find out the and between the 6 and 7. This is the final one. The and साठी काय? Both of them must be true. T and T is T. T and T is T. T and T is T. Okay. And everywhere, here is the T and T is T. T and T is T. T and F is F. F and T is F. F and F is F. Now see this, the column number. This is the second statement pattern S2. आता इथे जर बघितलं T, 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 T and T, F and F, 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 F. All the entries in the column 5th, the 8th are the identical and therefore the given statement pattern is equivalent. बघू शकताय तुम्ही. Now the next question. P implies in bracket P implies Q is equivalent to negation of Q implies in bracket P implies Q. Again, these statements are, two statements are there. Connectives 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. One thing is repeated here, which is that P implies Q. And therefore, the instead of this 5, we'll write here 4. That is a 2 plus 4, and that is equals to 6. P implies Q इथे P implies Q कसं झालंय तर तो रिपीट झालेला आहे. म्हणून तो आपण एकदा त्याचं घेणार कन्सिडरेशन. नाउ फर्स्ट 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ओके. P कसं लिहिणार? डबल T, डबल F. Q means what? TF, TF. निगेशन ऑफ Q पाहिजे आपल्याला, तो इथे तयार करायचा. प्रत्येकदा निगेशन वगैरे कोणाचे असतील तर ते थर्ड आणि फोर्थ कॉलम मध्ये आपण घेत असतो. Now the first is negation of Q. T चा negation F, F चा negation T, T चा negation F, F चा negation T. Now the next implication. P implies Q. T implies T, it is true. T implies F, it is F. F implies T, it is true. F implies F, it is true. Okay. Now the next implication between the first to the fourth one. First to the fourth one. Implication कसा लक्षात ठेवायचा? If both of them are same, then it is true. Otherwise, what implied? T implies T. Both of them are same. Therefore, it is true. T implies F. What imply? F imply. Therefore, it is F. F imply T. Therefore, it is T. F implies T. Therefore, it is a T. Okay. And this is the first statement pattern, which is the S1. Now, we'll find out the S2. S2 मध्ये काय? की negation of Q implies this. Means what? 3 implies 4. Okay. आता F implies T, therefore it is T. T implies F, therefore it is F. F implies T, therefore it is T. Now the next is a T implies T. Both of them are same, therefore it is true. What about the column number 5th and 6th? Both are the identical and hence the given statement pattern is the equivalent. Therefore he says that the entries in the column 5th and the 6th are the identical and therefore the given statement pattern is a equivalent. बघू शकताय तुम्ही. Okay. Now the next. third one. Now the third question. Negation of P implies negation of Q, double implication. P and negation Q is equivalence to P and Q. Okay, again see this here. The statements are two and they are connectives. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4, 4, 5. Okay, 5 and then 6. That is a 2 plus 6 and that is equals to 8. 8 columns are there and the number of rows are the 4. Again, first P, double T, double F. Q means what? T, F, T, F. We'll find out the negation of Q. Negation of T is F. Negation of F is T. Negation of T is F. Negation of F is T. Next, find out the P implies negation Q. Okay, that is the implication between the first and the third. T implies F is F. T implies T is T. F implies F is T. F implies T is T. This is the column number fourth one. Next, find out its a negation. Then that will be the first statement pattern, which is the S1 here. याचा negation. Fचा negation T. Tचा negation F. Tचा negation F. Tचा negation F in this way. Next, find out the negation of Q पाहिजे आपल्याला तर. Again, negation of Q. Negation of Q is the original statement Q. That is a T, F, T, F. Okay. Now we'll find out the and between the first and the sixth column. And between. म्हणजेच काय? The and between P and Q. That is a T and T is T. T and F is F. F and T is F. F and F is F. And this is the second statement pattern. Okay. Now the third one. P and Q. T and T is T. T and F is F. F and T is F. F and F is F. And I. And Satika. Both of them must be true. Then it is true. Otherwise false. Okay. Now if we observe the S1, that is a column number 5, 7 and the 8. All are the identical. Okay. T, 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 F, 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 F and F. Okay. And therefore the column number 5, 7, 8 are the identical and hence the given statement pattern. These are the equivalent. Now the fourth one. या fourth one मध्ये देखील काय? Okay. Now the P or Q. Okay. First is two statements. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5. And this is the repeated here. Therefore the 2 plus 5, that is a 7. Negation of P is repeated here. P means what? Again double T double F. Q म्हणजे काय? तर TF TF. Negation of P. T चा negation F. Tचा negation F. Fचा negation T. Fचा negation T. Now find out the OR between P and Q. P or okay. T or T is T. T or F is T. F or T is T. F or F is F. Okay. पुन्हा याचा negation. Fourthचा negation of T is F. Negation of T is F. Negation of T is F. Negation of F is T. Okay. This is the first statement pattern S. This is the first one. Not it is not S1. Okay. Now we'll find out the negation of P and Q. Okay. That is the and between the second and the third column. Second and third column, that is and between. It is written in the 6. T and F is F and I though. Both of them must be true, then it is true. F and F is F. T and T is T. F and T, again it is F. Okay. Now the next one. We'll find out the OR between. Okay. This, that is a OR between the fifth and sixth. F or F is F. F or F is F. F or T is T. T or F is T. Now identify this is the first statement pattern. And what about the second? Second is negation Q. It is the S2. Now observe here. F, 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 T, 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 T. all the entries in the column number 3 and the column number 7 are identical, and hence the given statement pattern is a equivalent. Okay, now see this here. 3 and 7 are identical, and hence it is a equivalent. Okay, you can see this here. Okay, now the question number 7. Using the truth table, verify. This is the S1 and the S2. Okay, किती येते? That is a PQR. Therefore, it is a 3, 1, 2. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3 plus 5, they are the 8, and the 2 raised to 3. Therefore, 8. 8 rows must be there. P म्हणजे काय? की 4 वेळा T and 4 वेळा F. 4 times T and the 4 times F. Q means what? Double T, double F, double T, double F. Okay, and here is a R. R means what? T, F, T, F, T, F, T, F in this way. Okay, first find out the Q and R. Now the and between the second and the third. T and T is T, T and F is F, F and T is F, F and F is F, T and T is T, T and F is F, F and T is F, F and F is F. Okay, now the next. That is a or between the first and the fourth column. First and fourth matla or. T or T is T, T or F is T, T or F is T, T or F is T, F or T is T, F or F is F, F or F is F, F or F is F. Or साठी काय लक्षात ठेवायचं? One of them must be true, then it is true, otherwise false. Now the next. We'll find out the, now this is the first statement pattern, which is the S1. आता second तयार करणार, S2 तयार करणार. First find out the or between the P and Q. Okay, T or T is T, T or T is again T, T or F is T, T or F is T, F or T is T, F or T is T, F or F is F here, F or F, again here we have the F. Okay, we have completed P or Q. Next, find out the or between P and R. Okay, now again for the or, one of them must be true, then it is true, otherwise false. T or T, it is true. Okay, T or F, it is again true. T or T, it is a true. T or F, again it is a true. Okay, now the next. F or T, it is true. F or F, both of them are false, therefore it is F. F or T, it is true. F or F, both of them are F, therefore it is a F. Now we will find out the and between the column number 6 and 7. T and T, it is T. T and T, it is T. Both of them are same. T and T, both of them are the true, therefore it is a true, not same. Okay, T and T is T. Both of them are true, therefore it is true. Now T and F, both are the different. Okay. दोन्ही true पाहिजे तरच true, otherwise false. Okay, T and F is F, F and T is F, F and F is again F. Now if we observe the column number 8 and the 5, okay, all the entries T, 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 T. Okay, next T, 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 F, 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 F. All the entries are identical, and hence the given statement pattern is a equivalent. Now the next one. Now the second one, P double implication Q and P implies Q and Q implies P. These are the equivalent. Okay. Now again, these there are the two statements. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 connectives and total is 6. Therefore, the number of columns are 6. Now first P double T double F. Q is a TF TF in this way. P double implication Q. आता double implication Q मध्ये काय? Double implication कसा असतो की both of them are same, then it is true, otherwise F. TT is T, TF different, therefore it is F. FT is different, it is F. FF is again T. Now the next, we'll find out this is the first statement pattern, which is the S1. What about the next? P implies Q. That is a T implies T, then it is T. T implies F, it is F. F implies T, then it is T. F implies F. Both of them are the same, therefore it is a true. Next, Q implies P. Q implies P. That is, a T implies T. Therefore, it is a true. F implies T. Therefore, it is true. T implies F. It is F. F implies F. It is a true. Okay. Now we'll find out the AND between the column number 5th and 6th one. AND साठी काय लक्षात ठेवायचं? Both of them must be true. Then it is true. Otherwise, false. T and T is T. T and F is F. T and F is F. T and T is T. Again, if you observe the column number 3 and the 6, they are the identical. T, T, F, 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 T, T. Okay, and in this way, by the column number 3 and the 6 are identical, and hence the given statement pattern is identical. Okay, now the next one. Again, observe here again I will repeat here. P implies Q is equals to negation of Q implies negation of P is equals to negation of P or Q. Okay, now see this here. The two statements are there. 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, and 5. 2 plus 5, and that is equals to 7. Negation of P is repeated there. Okay, now first is P double T double F. Q is a TF TF. Okay, in this way. First find out the negation of P, negation of Q. Now the negation of T is F, negation of T is F, negation of F is T, negation of F is T. Negation of Q, negation of T is F, negation of F is T, negation of T is F, negation of F is T. Next, find out the implication between the first to the second column. T implies T, it is T. T implies F, it is F. F implies T, it is T. F implies F, it is true. Next, find out the implication between the fourth to the third one. F implies F, it is true. T implies F, it is F. F implies T, therefore it is true. And 2 implies 2, that is a T implies T, it is a T. Okay, next, this is the, now first is a, this is the statement pattern first one. Okay, now the next, this is the second one. And what about the third one? This is the S3. Find out the OR between P, negation of P or Q. Okay, negation of P or Q. Find out the OR between the column number 2 and the column number 3. That is a T or F. OR साठी काय? One of them must be true, then it is true, otherwise false. T or F is true. F or F, both of them are false. T or T, it is true. F or T, it is true. Okay, and in this way, if we observe the column number 5th, 6th, and 7th, T, 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 F, 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 T, 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 all are the identical, and hence the given statement pattern is the equivalent. पुन्हा इथे बघू शकताय. Now the fourth one. Okay. Negation of in bracket P and Q is equals to negation of P or negation of Q. This is the De Morgan's law again. When we apply the negation, that is and will become or, and both of them must have the negation sign. Okay. Now the first is again, that is a 2 P and Q. 1, 2, 3, okay, 4 and 5. Okay, 2 plus 5, and that is equals to 7. P means what? Double T, double F. Q means what? TF, TF in this way. Negation of P. Negation of T is F, negation of T is F, negation of F is T, negation of F is T. Negation of Q. Negation of T is F, negation of F is T, negation of T is F, negation of F is T. Next, find out the AND between first and second column. T and T is T, T and F is F, F and T is F, F and F is F. Okay. Now the negation of the column number 5. Negation of T is F, negation of F is T, negation of F is T, negation of F is T. And the next, OR between the column number 3 and the 4. F or F is F, F or T is again T, T or F is T, T or T is T. And if we observe the column number 6 and the 7, these two are the identical, and hence the given statement pattern is the equivalent. And in this way, we have completed the exercise 1.6. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.